Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to convert your missing value codes into missing value. So what that means is basically in some survey research, there are special codes that are put into the missing value. So it's not dot or something. So they put like 99 or minus 99 or 999. So these are basically codes, but if you do not change it into a dot or null value or missing value in a Stata is gonna treat them as real value. So that's a big problem because that makes your analysis inaccurate and biased. So what you need is you convert those values into a missing value in Stata before you do any kind of statistical analysis. So I'm giving you the example for my data set here. So I'll write a command called sum and then dbp, which is diastolic blood pressure, and hit enter. So now what you see is that the minimum is minus 99, which is realistically never possible value for a diastolic blood pressure. It can never be minus. So what minus basically means here is that it's the missing value. So if you put this that way, that's, as I said, the Stata is going to treat them as real value, so which is not actually a real value, making your analysis biased and inaccurate. So what you do is to run a command called mv decode. So that is missing value decode, comma mv, which is missing value, is minus 99, and hit enter. What it says is that variable required, so we'll write dbp and then enter. Two missing values generated. So these minus 99 values would now be treated as missing values, which in Stata is a null or a dot. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you find my channel and videos helpful, please put your comment below, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.